So just because we cannibalized my Schwinn Axum, now we have parts that some other bikes are gonna take advantage of. In this case, as you saw on the previous video, we took out the Deore crankset out of the Axum. So we're gonna go ahead and put them over here and replace those racework. And we're gonna do another thing to this one because, let me see if I can show you, because it'll be easier if you see. The brake is a little loose, so we're gonna take the rear wheel out so that you can see what's going on. See how this moves. It's a little loose, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten that up. Look over here. It moves. That means this is I think it's called center lock because it doesn't have the 6 bolts. So we're gonna need to tighten that up, and those are the only 2 things that we're gonna be doing to this one right now. Later on, we'll see if we replace the dropper post. And I went ahead and washed this thing up because it was a little dirty. It's just a quick rinse, nothing crazy, but let's go ahead and do these 2 things. And yep. And of course, you already know we're gonna be doing this in a time lapse because this is something that I have done plenty of times before. So we're gonna use I think it's a 5mm Allen head right there for the through axle. And for the crank, same thing, and just put the other ones back on with a little bit of grease. Let's go ahead and remove the crank arms and do this. The good thing is that we're using the same pedals on both of the bikes, so easy swap. Enjoy the music, let's ride. Oh my God, guys, I thought I was recording. So this thing was loose with my hands. So I went ahead and got the bottom bracket tool, tightened it up to click specs. And just for the sake of it, got the cassette tool, tightened that up, and we're gonna put this back in there. Sorry, I really thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this back on the bike. And should be almost good to go. Let's see. All right. So now we have Shimano Deore. Well, we already had this one. The Shimano Deore 12-speed shifter and derailleur XT cassette. We have Deore crankcase. And this thing looks and feels really, really good. We went ahead and tightened up the rear brake because it was moving a lot. Now it's perfect. The only thing that I'm debating on whether to do or not is to make this tubeless again. I already put in a tube on this rear one, and I bought tubes for all the for the T8 and for this one because that one it's a tube on the back. And I don't know if to make them tubeless again. The rear one, the front one is, I don't remember if I already put a tube on the front one, but they're mix and match. So again, I got a comment from somebody, yes, go ahead and put this wheel on my T8 because that's the one that I use the most. And other than that, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today. That's it for this one, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.